Marcus, tell us what's in the vitamins.
We have two types of components. There is one class of components that helps us to defend ourselves against this oxidative stress. And you can count lutein, zeaxanthin and vitamin C into that category. And then the other category, that nutrients that are important for the smooth running of the retina, these are the probably vitamins E, zinc and the B vitamins that contribute to that. Now, with regards to lutein and zeaxanthin, they are particularly interesting is because they are taken up by our bodies from the diet. They occur in green and red vegetables typically. They are so-called beta-carotenoids, so they're kind of yellow in color. Our bodies absorb them, we can't make them ourselves, and transport them specifically into the center of our retina. There is this yellow dot in our retina. Because they have antioxidative properties, it's been argued that they contribute to the defense systems in our retina, defend ourselves against this oxidative stress that is present in the retina.
And what about the maqui berry?
So the maqui berry is not a single vitamin, but it's an extract from maqui berry, so it's a more complex mixture of different ingredients. But what's probably the most important ingredient within the maqui berry extract is the anthocyanins, which are also believed to have antioxidant properties.
And Marcus, tell us, why don't we have any vitamin A in the vitamins?
So vitamin A is the famous vitamin that's important for vision. But really in most of our diets, we always take up enough vitamin A. The issue with vitamin A is that if you take too much vitamin A, it can be toxic. Furthermore, there have been studies that have shown that even as if you take it in a range of normal supplements, it can slightly increase the risk of cancer in smokers. So just to be on the safe side, we left vitamin A out of our mixture.